Hey everybody, and welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm honest, Ejaculator still Lake Jackson. So this was coming from partially here, but mostly out by my grill. I know we're doing more grill stuff. I just got a backlog. I spent like weeks just grilling and filming stuff. So we're chipping away at it. It's almost spooky time, and we got some cool stuff coming up for that. So and I got some soups, like right perfect for like autumnal season stuff. So that's gonna be great. Before we get into it, be sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, ring the little notification bell. Should be down in this corner. Let you know when we put these up on Tuesdays and Fridays. We did a bonus one last week because I've been slacking a little bit because I've just been crazy busy, but we're trying to make that better. Also, there's a link down the dooley. It's got all our merch. Voila! Check it out. We got like aprons and we got merch. There's a link down the dooley. We're a small business. We very much appreciate it. We got spoons, flippers, all kind of stuff. That's very cool. But let's just get into the food. I've been seeing this prepackaged stuff. I really want to try it. So let's get into it. This is going to be great. Alright, this is super easy. It's already seasoned. There's actually no pre-prep to this at all. You can get it relatively cheap. I think this was $8 with a coupon. I got it for about $6. You can split this for 2 people and put it next to some other sides and stuff, but that's it. No pre-prep. Get your grill. You're going to let it get on, put it down on low. Right now mine's got fire, but it's only got fire in the back when you're putting it low and stuff, so we're going to try to put that thicker part back there. So just take it and just put it directly on the grill. Now make sure to clean it beforehand, but now remember, part of this is thicker than the other part, so sometimes I'll try to put that thicker part back towards the fire, the thinner part to the front, because it all cooks at the same heat, but the thicker part takes a little longer. So I check mine about every 5 to 8 minutes. This is definitely where you just look around the edges. You can kind of see where it's starting to get whiter here. That's why I keep looking at this. The thick part's going to take a lot longer to cook when you keep this closed. Also, shout out to my nieces and my sister and my mother who came by. That's why I'm testing these. If you're interested in that pineapple back there, we actually did that episode a few times back. Now, if you got to flip it, and this is about at the 20-minute mark, because it's doing it really low and slow, get you a spatula, be sure to pull that up, and it pulls that skin right up on there. You can take the skin off, I guess. Oh, also, if you're interested in tomatoes, that's a shameless plug for another video we did a while back. So, yeah, flip it over. You'll see all this white. This is, just the water and stuff dripping out of the actual fish. Don't worry about it too much. But you can feel how thick it's starting to get in there. You want to get the inside to about 160. If you needed to check it. It took me about 35 minutes doing this on very, very low. But that's it, and it's super great. It cooks really easy. The seasoning makes this absolutely worth it. You could use it for meal prep, but again, it's reheating fish later in the week, which may make your co-workers try to beat you to death with sticks. But this worked out really well. Now, again, this was just the test one. This was our test kitchen. Gonna do another thing there, but this worked out really, really well. I want to know what you guys would put next to this. Like I said, this one was like $8 total, but I got it at a discount, so it got me about $6. So I got $4 to play with in my budget. What should I put next to it? Usually like rice and some steamed vegetables, like some some garlicky broccoli would be perfect next to this. What do you guys think? Y'all let me know, and yeah, definitely try some of this pre-season stuff. And there you have it, folks. Some pre-season stuff. Got it fresh out of the package. It's really nice. I've always seen it, and I've always been kind of wary of it because I don't know why they season it. Used to companies would have stuff, put it out fresh one day, it didn't sell, so they season it and try to sell it the second day. Seasoning and trying to cover up that it's not that day fresh, but I don't think they do that anymore. This turned out really well. I'm glad this happened. If you do it differently, want to see us do it differently, if you can use the seasoned stuff differently than us, let me know. Put down in the comments, man. That's what they're there for. You can also find us on social media. Tell us about it over there. At Facebook, Pinterest, Patreon, we're all those that live between Paychecks Kitchen. You can also find us at Instagram. Had to shorten it down over there to Living Between. Over there, and then you can find me on all of those. I'm Osway Nerdy on all of those, including Twitter and TikTok, which we're doing a couple little videos over there. Did one the other day, just quick, fast, little dirty stuff. Basically, it's just a shameless plug for y'all to come over here and watch this stuff. So it's awesome. We very much appreciate when you interact with this everywhere, or just like and smile and say, "Hey, I subscribe to your stuff." It's very cool. Again, this apron looks cool though, right? But with my new Hawaiian shirt and my flat cap, I look like the quintessential dad, right? Like, that's that middle-aged cook at the cookout. Yeah, do the thing, right? That's cool. It's a new look. What do you think? I'll see y'all next time. Y'all be safe. Please, please, please be safe. Drink some water, and I'll see y'all next time, hopefully. That sounded ominous.